Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about system.out.println statement. So, in order to understand this, you should have some basic knowledge about object-oriented concepts which we discussed in our previous classes. Please watch those classes and come back here. In our last class, we clearly discussed about input and output streams and the classes. We showed the documentation, how to check the documentation. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, so this is the statement which we are going to use many times in our Java program system.out.println in order to display variables and display the strings. We are using this statement. So what is this statement? We need to understand this. What is the system? System is a class in Java. In inbuilt packages, we are having a class called system. Now check the documentation of system so that we are going to understanding the remaining part. If you could type it as system class in Java from the Oracle website, official website, we will get this system class. So this is the class system. Now try to understand, explore this system class. What's the variables that are present in this system class? The variables that present in this system class are printStream. Out is a variable. It is a static variable. That's why static variables, we can call static variables using class name. That's why system.out, we are calling that variable. This out is a variable. This is a reference variable for printStream class. Now try to understand what is printStream class. If you open this printStream class, so class printStream, this is a public class printStream extends. It is going to inherit filteroutputstream class. Now check the documentation of filteroutputstream class. This is filteroutputstream class. In this class, public class filteroutputstream extends outputstream. So this is an abstract class. We discussed about input stream and output stream in our last class. Those are the super classes. Input stream is used to read the data and output stream to display the data for the standard input and all those things which we discussed previously. So output stream. So this is how you need to check the documentation. If you are using printStream class, it can use all the methods that present in output stream and it is inherited from file filteroutputstream. So it can use all the methods that present in filteroutputstream, and whatever the methods that present in printStream class, we can use that methods. But one more important point you need to understand, static printStream out. It is a static variable, means memory allocated during whenever this class is loading, memory is going to be allocated. But who is going to create the object of printStream and who is going to assign that object to this variable? We are not going to do we are not doing anything. We are not creating the object of printStream class. This is a variable which can refer to the printStream class object. JVM, Java Virtual Machine. In our last class, we clearly discussed that whenever you on the Java, whenever this JVM is working, it is going to create the streams and the objects will be assigned automatically to this variable printStream out. Which object it is going to assign? It is going to assign the object of printStream class. So this out variable is assigned with printStream class object. Now we can use the methods that present in the printStream class. That is what system.out.println is, a method that present in printStream class. Now check the documentation of printStream class, the methods that are available and all those things. The constructors that are available for printStream class, these are the constructors. We are not going to discuss this. So the methods that are append, we can use any of the methods. System.out.append, system.out.print, system.out.println. All these are methods that present in printStream class. So check error of. These are all the methods. Print is a method which we used in our previous classes, and println is the method. Printf is a method. Println is a method. This is the method which we used, and println which is going to take a different method overloading concept. Println of boolean variable, println of character variable, println of array of characters, println of double, string, all those things. So these methods are going to display our output. The code that required to display the output is written here in these methods. We are going to use these methods. So this is what about system.out.println. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.